Craving something delish and gluten-free? This chicken stir-fry is about to become your new go-to. Start by dicing up some juicy chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper, then set it aside. Next, chop up your favorite veggies. Bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots work great. Now, heat up a splash of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Toss in the chicken and let it sizzle until it's golden brown and cooked through. Add the veggies to the pan and stir-fry until they're tender crisp. Here's a tip: don't overcrowd the pan. It keeps everything crunchy and fresh. Now, for the secret sauce. A blend of gluten-free soy sauce, garlic, and a touch of honey. Pour it over the chicken and veggies, giving it a good mix. Serve your stir-fry over a bed of steamed rice or quinoa. And there you have it, a delicious gluten-free chicken stir-fry that's sure to impress. Bon appétit!